Let's explore!
Food is a big part of what makes a community special. One of my favorite kinds of food is Chinese food, especially chop suey. Did you know that chop suey originated in the United States? Let's take a closer look at Chinese food in the United States.
Let's investigate!
Remember to take notes. What makes a community unique? In the 1850s, life in China was hard because of the bad economy that came with a horrible civil war and famine. Thousands of Chinese immigrants came to work in the gold mines near San Francisco. Later, more Chinese immigrants came to help build the railroad. Chinese immigrants had a hard time in the mining camps because local laws did not protect them. Immigrants were forced to pay a monthly tax just to be able to mine for gold. Unhappy with mining, they looked for different jobs. Many Chinese immigrants opened their own restaurants and laundries. The oldest Chinese community in the U.S. is the Chinatown area of San Francisco. Traditional ingredients for Chinese food were not always available to cooks in San Francisco. They had to adapt their recipes to use foods they could find locally. These changes in ingredients also made the food taste more familiar to other immigrants, including European settlers. This was the start of Chinese American cuisine. Have you ever eaten chop suey? Chop suey means bits of this and that. It is believed that it originated in a Chinatown restaurant when cooks threw leftovers into a pan with an egg on top and served it to non-Chinese customers. Americans started asking for more authentic international foods in the 1950s, and now it's hard to find chop suey anywhere. Other Chinese American dishes, such as sweet and sour chicken and beef with broccoli, are still popular today. But these are not traditional Chinese foods either. Fortune cookies are also a Chinese American invention.
Let's report!
Now it's your turn to investigate and report on what makes a community unique.